Hi, my name's Jack with Lewmar Tech Support, and today we're going to go through lid replacement on an ocean hatch.
Open the lid 90 degrees. This will give you access to use a Phillips PH2 screwdriver to undo the hinge plate from the lid. Using a bigger flap-headed screwdriver, push the hinge pins until you can see it poking out externally. Close the lid and protect the areas near the hinge pins. Then use mole grips to pull out the hinge pins. This will allow you to remove the lid. Remember to not lose the washers. When installing the new lid back on the lower frame, remember the washers. Put the hinge pins back in place. Then use a soft hammer to tap them back in. You will require a drift to tap in the last part in order not to damage the frame. You will now be able to open the lid and reattach the friction hinge. Put the black plugs back in place.